Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure OKX Web3 Wallet for DeFi swaps, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the OKX official website. Navigate to the wallet section from the home page. Click on Web3 Wallet to access the configuration options. Download the OKX Web3 Wallet extension for your preferred browser. Once downloaded, locate the extension in your browser toolbar and click to open it. Select Create New Wallet if you're a new user. Follow the prompts to set up a secure password. Make sure to choose a strong and unique password for security. Next, you will be prompted to back up your wallet. Write down your recovery phrase in a secure location. Ensure you do not share this phrase with anyone. Once you have backed up your recovery phrase, click Continue. Your wallet will now be created and you will be directed to the main interface. To fund your wallet, navigate to the Assets tab. Click on Deposit and select the cryptocurrency you wish to add. Follow the on-screen instructions to deposit funds into your wallet. After funding your wallet, go to the dApps or Decentralized Apps section. Search for a decentralized exchange of your choice. Connect your OKX Web3 wallet by clicking on the Connect Wallet option. Authorize the connection when prompted by the exchange. Now, navigate to the swap feature on the decentralized exchange. Select the asset you wish to swap from the drop-down menu. Then, choose the asset you want to receive. Input the amount you wish to swap. Review the transaction details carefully. Click on the Swap button to initiate the transaction. Confirm the transaction in your OKX Web3 wallet. Wait for the transaction to be processed on the blockchain. Once completed, you will receive a confirmation of the transaction. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.